Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today I'm bringing you a little glimpse into the world of frameworks in ClickFunnels 2.0. Frameworks are going to be that agency functionality that you've been waiting for, or I've been waiting for. I don't know if you have, but really it allows you to share things like entire workspaces, themes, emails, email templates, workflows, basically everything inside of your workspaces from one account to another. And when you use workflows or frameworks rather, I believe you get like 50% commission rate as well if someone is signed up for the first time on ClickFunnels 2.0. So there's that. Now I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the entire process of how to actually create a framework, but it is going to be limited at just showing you how to create it, not sharing it. And the reason is because at this moment in time while recording this, apparently it's in beta. So I can't actually go in and create the framework. I can lay it out with the things I want to share in it, but I can't create it and share it with anybody at this moment in time for whatever reason. You have to apply. Likely you see the same thing inside of your account. It's called frameworks. Anyways, let's go and dive in. I'll walk you through what it looks like right now and what to be aware of at this moment in time. Again, it is in beta, so don't hate on me for just sharing a little bit about what it's about and what's happening. I hope you enjoy. All right, let's go and dive in. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see an option for frameworks. You'll see a little beta tag right next to it, but click on that directly, and it should take you into the frameworks dashboard, just like that. Now, frameworks, again, is going to be the central area where you can basically determine what is shared from one workspace to another, such as funnels, themes, entire workspaces, workflows, anything that's inside of your account is the idea. To get started with adding a brand new framework to your account, go ahead and click on the button on the right-hand side of the screen that says Add New Framework. From there, it'll show a pop-up in the center of the screen, allowing you to name it, choose the availability of this specific framework, set the actual affiliate name that you want to be associated with this, and set the affiliate code that you want to be connected. All right, for the name, we'll call this New Test Framework. I already used test, so let's go with New Test. That's pretty unique there, right? I keep wanting to call it workflows for whatever reason. Like my mind is having a tough time getting away from that, but I don't even know why. They're not even the same thing, but framework. There we go. New test framework. There we go. For availability, you have two options in that dropdown, one of which is already selected, and the other one is unavailable. So if you want this to be privately available, meaning when you give someone a share link, I'm assuming, I can't actually give you the full confirmation on that until it is completely rolled out or my application has been approved. I'll show you that in a second. But below that, we'll go ahead and set up the affiliate name. In our case, we'll go with Repair. Geez, if I can spell today, my goodness, my funnel. There we go. And then we can set the affiliate code here at the bottom. All right, from there, go ahead and create the workflow. All right, just like that. Wait, did it say workflow or framework? See, now I'm mixing myself up. Pretty sure it said framework. We'll leave it as is. But on this page, you can go and adjust the things that we just set up right here at the top of the page. But as we scroll down, we'll see the ability to add different areas of your account, such as themes, included courses, funnels, workflows, pages, your store, products, or even email templates. All right, so to add any of these, just click on the button right next to it. So for themes as an example, go over here and click on Add Theme, select the theme that you want to share. In our case, we only have one theme that's currently active inside of the workspace, but from there, click on Include Theme, and boom, just like that, it is added to the drop down here or to that specific category as an item that is going to be shared from one workspace to another when we can do so. Now, like I was saying, over here on the right side, it's not going to allow you to actually publish a workflow or a framework. It won't allow you to actually publish a framework. I gotta get that. I gotta change the mentality. I don't know why I keep thinking workflow, but it'll allow you to publish the actual framework once you've been approved. In our case, we have not. We applied yesterday as soon as it was released, or was it on Thursday? Either way, we went over this on the first day of FHL. So since then, let's say Thursday. So Thursday, I've been patiently waiting for access to this. But anyways, when it is approved, if I click on this, it should take me to that area, and it remembers me. Awesome. anyways, it'll tell me when my application has been reviewed and approved. It looks like it might be 1 to 2 weeks. So when that happens, I will keep you posted. We'll create another video on this and walk you through the entire process and update this video and the articles and all that good stuff to make sure you have everything you need to be successful when it comes to frameworks inside of your account and business. All right. Now, as a recap again, frameworks are meant to be like that agency functionality where you can go in and create different aspects for your customers, such as like the themes you want them to use, set courses, right? And then you can share them with them directly. And if they don't have a ClickFunnels account, I believe you get like 50% commission on that specific sign up, which is pretty dang cool. But if they already have an account, whatever, cool. Either way, you have a client that you're helping out. You can create everything in your workspace, share it over to theirs, and that's it. You know, from there you can set it up and make sure it's all functioning correctly on their side, but you can just stay within one workspace essentially, and then share all the pieces and things that you want to put out there in a framework and send it off. That's it. So super stoked for this. It'll be even nicer to actually be able to test it out and see how it actually functions in the wild. But for now, this is what we're looking at and this is what we're seeing together. All right. Hopefully this was fun. Hopefully this was entertaining. If you have any questions around any of this at all, I will do my best to help out and point you in the right direction, whether it's ClickFunnels Classic or 2.0, doesn't matter. Just let us know down below and I'll do my best to point you in the right direction. Even though I haven't fully set up a framework, I'm sure I can point you in the right direction with everything else. So just let me know down below. Otherwise, have a fantastic rest of your day and I will catch you in the next video.